What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Rooster88, with another video. Today, special day. I got something in the mail today I've been waiting for. Here it is, guys. First Manufacturing leather vest. Let's get into it. After watching several other YouTube videos, I decided on getting the First Manufacturing vest, and I have not seen it. As you can see, it's open. Let's open it up. I know what I ordered. Let's see. All the way from New York. Get rid of that. Second bag. Ho 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 ho. Yeah. It's got the white stitching. I ordered a 2X. Let's see. Everybody said to size up, and because of the hoodie, so we'll see. I normally wear an extra large. It's got the bandana, black and white. It's got the white stitching. This is the upside. There's a there's a downside and an upside. This is the downside. I'm sorry. The upside's a little bit shorter, but I kind of just wanted to be safe than sorry and not have it too short. There's a look at the inside. Pretty heavy leather. Try it on without the hoodie. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a perfect fit. Look at that zipper too. That's a tough zipper. Let's see here. Oh yeah. It's got the flap, the buttons, and the zipper. White stitching, pockets, both sides. It's 100 degrees here today, guys. So in the garage gym with the vest, it's hot. Hey, but you gotta do what you gotta do. We got an inside pocket here, I believe. It's like concealed carry for the strap. And there's another one here. That's what I saw. Yep, another one here. Carry whatever. There's a zipper here. What kind of zipper? I think you can remove. No, it's just a pocket. Deeper inside pocket. So yeah, dang, this is tight, man. I'm not tight, but tight like good. I haven't even seen it in the mirror. Let's check this out real quick. Oh man, that's better than I imagined. That's legit. Now let's try it out with the hoodie now. Hold on. Get you guys a close up too. Man, that feels solid. Let's check this out. You can get a closer look. It's quality, man. Look at that black bandana. It's gonna go good with the Nightster. All black, murdered out. And yeah, let's get that hoodie on. Let's see, hold on a second. I'm gonna put the mic down here real quick. It's gonna be even hotter now. Yeah. Neighbors out there looking at me like I'm crazy, probably. Oh well. Is what it is. We do YouTube, baby. Fits good with the hoodie. Yeah, with the hoodie fits. It fits good. Like, no doubt, no doubt. This is the right size. So I normally wear, like I said, an extra large in t-shirt size, and this is a 2X. So yeah, definitely size up, man. They weren't lying. With the hoodie, it still feels good. I got room. It's not squeezing my stomach, nothing. Everything's good. I gotta take a look at this too. Let me see. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, so what more can I say? You know what I mean? This was just one of the ones that was already like pre-made, not like custom or anything like that. But I right away I like the diamond stitch and the stitching, the white. I wanted to get something different. I didn't want to get all black. The white stitching pops, man. Definitely pops. And I ended up getting stitching. Ended up getting stitching on my seat as well. It's not white stitching, but hey, it's diamond just like this. So I got another video coming too. I did some more mods on the bike, so stay tuned for that. But hey, first manufacturing, can't go wrong. This is quality, man. Straight out of New York, USA. Since, what does that say? 1907. So they've been killing it since 1907. And I can see why, man. I definitely recommend getting this vest. If you're a bike rider and it's a little bit of added protection, you know, what they say, dress for the slide. And this will definitely help. I mean, my arms are not protected, but you know, it is summer, so hoodie up. You never know. Put your helmet on. Ride safe. Keep it on 2. Rooster 88. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.